Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I am doing my March bullet journal video and I'm just going to start off with a quick flip through of last month, February. So to start off, I have my cover page and then important dates and habit tracker. I didn't really use my habit tracker as much as I hoped to, so hopefully I do next month. And then here's my weekly spread for the first week. I'm really happy with that one. It's so pretty. The second week I did doodles. It was a little bit more rushed. The third week with some more doodles. I don't really like that flower on the right, but I tried. And then I have my reflection page and then a quote. And I haven't filled out my reflection yet because February isn't fully over when I'm filming this, but let's just get into March. So I'm just starting off by drawing a circle, and I'm just using a yogurt container because that's what I had near me, and the first one I drew was a little bit too high, so I redrew it, and that's what you see me doing here. I just needed half of the circle, but I didn't realize that, so I did the whole thing, but I just erased it. So there we go, and then I'm writing March in the middle because I'm just doing my cover page, and I'm using a black marker for all of this. I used a brush pen at the top, and at the bottom I'm just using a fine liner by the brand Micron for both of those, and then I am filling in the days of the week, or month in the calendar, and then I'm adding some succulents and different plants and greenery on top and around March because that's my theme for this month, I guess, and it's all greenery and really pretty things. I was inspired to do this by an image I saw on Pinterest, and I kind of made it my own, and I did half of the circle and I changed up the succulents and the different shapes of the containers, and I'm just doodling some, that's a cactus, and then I have some random leaf vine things, and I just do a bunch of random different doodles. Next, I'm just erasing the pencil lines and going in and adding a tiny bit of shadow to make them look a little bit more realistic. I'm adding some color, green and yellow mainly. I am adding some washi tape to the empty space, and then I'm just doing my collage on the left side with some photos I found on Pinterest that I want to kind of represent my March, or they just make me happy and they look cool together, so I threw them on there. And then I'm moving on to my important dates page, and I'm just writing every single day and the day of the week, and then writing important dates across the top, and I put some washi tape on there to take up the empty space because I don't want it to be empty. So I'm just doing a little doodle as well because I just wanted to make it a little bit more visually interesting, and I am trying to stick to my theme of green and kind of earthy tones, yellow, I don't know. And then I'm adding my next page, which is my habit tracker, which hopefully, fingers crossed, I will use more in the month of March. I haven't been using it in January or February, but I really like the idea, so I want to try to stick with it until I start using it on a daily basis. But I am just doing some vines to take up that empty space because I hate the empty space and I just want to doodle all over it. And I'm just continuing with that, doing a bunch of random doodles. I don't really have a way of picking the vines, I just kind of go for it. And then I'm going in to color them green, and on the side of my habit tracker are just some things I want to track, like, you know, how much I work out, how much water I have, stuff like that. Then I'm just writing March on all of the weekly March pages, and then I'm writing days of the week on the first one, and then the rest of them I do as I go throughout the week, but I wanted to just do this because I always take up one page per week anyways, and I wanted to write out my reflection title on this video for you guys, so that's why I just wrote out March on those pages. But I'm just doing some little hanging floral succulents, greenery, whatever you want to call it, and they're in hanging little pots, and then I added some color and a photo into that empty space because gotta fill it up. Next, I'm just writing the dates of every single spread or week, I guess, and then I'm going in and adding some washi tape to the top, and I really regret using this washi tape because it was kind of sticky on top, so I don't really recommend this one. It's the Elmer's brand. It's not the best, but oh well, can't do anything about it now. I'm just writing my March reflection and then lettering on the next page because every month I try to do one little lettering like page so then I can practice my lettering, and then I did some fun doodles around it of stars and a little shooting star at the bottom. And that is a horrible star. I don't know how to draw stars clearly. Lastly, I have my flip through of everything I did in this video, starting off with my little title page and collage, important dates, habit tracker, my first weekly spread, my second half-done weekly spread that I will fill in throughout the month, and then my next one, which I'll put some hanging succulents since there's no photo, and then I have a little photo. I love this one, it's so cute, the photo there. I thought it was really nice. And then last week where I'll put some more hanging succulents, my reflection, and just a little thing that says enjoy every moment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!